Hey, greetings universe! Hello. Welcome to the stream. Hi everyone. Hi. So, what we're going to do today is actually some pixel art. Hi Senko. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming by. So, the thing we're going to do today, we are actually going to join a challenge that is called Pixel Dailies. This is an art challenge where every day there's like a different pixel art themed kind of challenge, and people are welcome to join this by drawing something around the topic. So, yeah. Today's topic is buggy. Oh, Senko says, of course I will join. Great content. Haha. Thank you. I really appreciate that you're saying that each time. That's really nice of you. So, yes. Today's topic is buggy. And I am choosing to interpret to say that I will take this buggy theme in terms of software development, game development. So it's like bugs. I'm gonna take it as something that is buggy. Great. And by the way, I have kind of set up alerts for YouTube subscribers. So as you can see on the left side, we have our latest subscriber, which is Senko. In order to appear over there and trigger the alert that I have, your subscribers section has to be public. And then you can try to trigger this alert. Yes. Okay, so I think it is safe to start. Senko says good job to me. Thank you. If you guys don't mind, I will appreciate your comment about the sound balance of the stream. Is it okay? Is the music like not too loud, I hope? There we go. Oh, Senko, thank you for saying that the sound balance is okay. That's great. Awesome. So I believe it is safe to start. Dosha? Is that you? Dosha, you say that I have an apple? I don't have an apple. What do you mean? Okay, so basically my canvas today is 96 by 96. I hope it's not too large, and I hope it's doable. We'll see. As you can see, I am going for this kind of theme where a buggy kind of install, probably something like that. Yeah, like a pirate install, sort of kind of thing. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so generally I am thinking about having like a screen here that shows an install on a computer. So I suppose we will start with creating a screen of a computer. maybe something like this. Let's try to go for 64. Yeah. I think something like this can work. However, I want the corners to be more soft. Let's first try to center this. Oh, I am drawing on a bad layer. I want you to be on a different layer from the background. So this is kind of my mood board. Yes. So pirated installs, buggy stuff. This is kind of what I'm aiming for here. Ah, Cinco, I am feeling great. I'm feeling great. Yeah. How do you feel? How are you? I'm thinking about the proportions of sleepy. Did you go to sleep late? I'm going to kind of draw the sketch of what I want it to do. Sort of. It's going to be a very, very rough sketch. Did you go to sleep late? Is that the reason? Probably something like this over here. These are gonna be looking weird. How many hours of sleep did you have? As humans, as I understand, they need about 8 hours of sleep. Oh, you help people to move. That's really nice of you. Aww. Yep. 8 hours sounds good. So I guess you simply just deserve rest. That's what it's about. Which totally okay. I hope you can get comfy and rest a little bit. Yes. I'm still thinking about the composition of what I want to draw. It's pretty much it. Just need the screen to appear somewhere here to show the install process. A buggy install process. Something like that. Senko says, I already had a 2-hour nap, even though I wanted only 30 minutes. Ooh. Wow, it seems like you're exhausted. Who were you helping to move? Were these your friends? Let me just make sure everything works properly. Yes, looks like yes. Okay, great. So we can continue. You helped the brother of your mother to move. Whoa. Well, at least now you're done with it, right? I'm curious about how large the screen should be. Maybe something like this. There we go. Okay. Ooh, this is exactly the correct ratio. That's great. That's great. Oh, wow, Senko, you came in multiple places. That's great. That's great. My personal preference is YouTube, if that's alright. That's kind of the platform that I'm working on growing right now. Is it? Is it crazy? Why is it crazy? So I want to soften the corners a little bit. So this is going to be my way to do it. Like so. There we go. Softer corners. I see, okay. Well, sure, whatever is more comfortable to you. No pressure whatsoever. Oh, cool. Any kind of support is really, truly appreciated. Yeah, this is going to be our computer screen of some sorts. Toast says night bits or filet. Toast, I don't understand what you're saying. Please explain. I'm turning the computer screen into something like that. And maybe it's worth also adding a border to it. Just a tiny border. Yeah, so seems like it's kind of funny, isn't it? The view for today is buggy. So that's what we got. Bugs. Yep. So very fitting to the theme of the stream. That's funny. Very buggy. Very fitting to the theme of the stream. Yeah, so thank you for bearing with this. Also, looks like the camera got stuck. Up, up, up. Buggy, buggy, buggy. Oh well. Let's see if I can work things out. Mm, mm, mm. Tosha, what do you mean you're wasting your money for nothing? Are you sure you tried it properly? Let's see if it works now. Okay, that's better. That's better. There we go. I think your chat thing emote should have worked. Ah. Well, it's Bugs Day today. That's what it is. That's what it is. Whew. Okay, let's try to go back to drawing. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Should be good now. Okay, so what we're doing today is we'll draw a screen with a frauding stove. Yes, yes. There we go. I'm doing a computer screen right now with an install happening in it. Soccer. Oh no. Not enough space. Did not calculate it properly. Need another extra. Senko says to the Windows update things and this message with the sad emoji. Yeah. I can do that. But first we need to make an install and maybe we will make an animation out of it. Why can't you hit... Wait, why would you want to hit planets? I'm confused. I will try, no promises. It really depends on how much time we have. No promises, sorry. no, that was again a bad calculation from my side. That's supposed to be better this way. And it should probably its own layer. Oh, hello Husky, how are you? I am good, thank you for asking. Today we are joining the art challenge of Pixel Dailies, and today's theme is buggy. I am interpreting this theme as software bugs and stuff like that. So, trying to make like a buggy install, if that makes sense. If we will have time, maybe we will make also an animation out of it. Do you have any particular suggestions maybe? If you do, feel free to share them. Yeah. So for now I'm like creating a loading screen for an install. And this is like the installing bar, but it's not supposed to be like 100% yet. Oh, it's tough to make it centered. So it's not really going to be ever centered. Huh? Oh well. Oh well. That's okay, I suppose. Let's see if this one is properly centered. No, almost. Almost. I guess it can't be, can it? Nope. This is the best we can do for centering this. Oh well, it's okay. Let's do something like that. And maybe also let's write that it's installing. So it would kind of make sense. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that's way too large. Font apes is too large. Let's try 4. Ah, that's way too tiny. That's so tiny. We will go back to 8 and see what we can do about the size. Husky asks, which software am I using? I am using Aseprite. It's a really lovely program for pixel art, which I really like. So, seems like this is... We will need to write it by hand. We will need to write this by hand because my font is way too large. Let's give it a try. This way. Ugh, this is harder than I thought. Because the S now is way too big. That sounds inappropriate. Yeah. Okay, so writing on my own is kind of tough. Hey. It's okay though. We got this. And we got this N already here, so we can just copy it. Like so. And last but not least is like she. I'm just going to copy this one for the A. There we go. Looks kind of weird, isn't it? But good enough. Good enough. Wait. Just not centered, so we probably need to center it a little bit. Let's see if this is centered enough. We have 2 pixels from the side. 1, 2, 3. Not quite centered. Need to move this a little bit to the left. There we go. Now let's see if this is already centered. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. Now that's good. That's centered enough. I would take this a little bit to the top to make room for 2 buttons. An OK button and a console button, but it's not really going to be visible. So this will be good enough, like so. Like it's like something is written there, you know? Yeah, this is good. This is good. Ah, Senko says it really looks good already. Thank you. Awesome. Now we will add another frame and we will draw like a pirate school kind of thing. Well, I'm going to try to draw the hat. So the hat has like some kind of curve over here, right? And then some kind of shape like that. But we need to narrow this a little bit, I see. Like so, and like so. to make it more shaped like a pirate hat. Now it has to be even narrowed further, I think. There we go. Whoops, I actually wanted to mirror this. So I'm going to use the mirror tool. Okay. I hope it looks like a pirate hat. We will add a skull here, so it will looks extra piratey. Whoops. Whoopsie doopsie. He looks kind of cute. I did not mean to make him look cute. There we go. Now it's angry. Yes. Like a pirate. Yes. Much better, much better. An angry skull. There we go. Angry, angry. This was a better color, I think. Contrast is less buttering. Okay, it looks like we need to put the hat a little bit, the skull a little bit to the top. So let's do that. Something like this. What do you think? Does it still look like a pirate hat? Huh? trying to make it look more like a hat. More like a pirate hat. So we could kind of blink between these two states. I think we're missing a bit more shading to make it look more narrow. Here we go. Let's make it feel more narrow. Now it feels much more narrow. And we can add a little bit of shine on this side. Ooh, that's great. That's great. Thank you. So, does it look like a pirate hat right now? What do you guys think? Arr! Arr, arr. Yes. So we will blink between these two just to show that it's a pirated soul. Now I will delete this part so I could draw it properly. I will try to redraw the Unity logo. If anyone is unfamiliar with this company, then they are a game engine which helps developers to develop games. Yes, it's Unity. Yes. I'm trying to recreate their logo. Oh, yeah. There are many games that were built with Unity too, actually. So it makes sense that you would be familiar with this company. Okay, this is a lot. This is a lot. Whew. Okay, so this one is very straight. Then this one is just a little bit not quite straight. It's kind of confusing. Because it's not completely straight even in the logo itself. Very confusing logo, I have to say. I'm trying to recreate this part. It's kind of confusing. Yeah, that looks very weird. Not quite there. Good enough, good enough. Let's just sharpen these lines. So this corner kind of looks okay. But this one needs some work. Oh boy. Kind of butchering this logo, am I? Close enough, right? Close enough. We can work on this part later. Great, thank you for confirming. Now we want to create a coin. So I will open a new layer for it. For the coin. Aw, Senko, you're so sweet. I'm happy to entertain. Now we will try to draw a star, but it's going to be a tough one, I think. But let's give it a try. Senko says a bug can also be referred to as a glitch. Yes, yes. I'm going to make a glitch on the screen. Okay, wait. I kind of forgot how to draw a star. How does that go? Yeah, no, that's not it. Oh well. We'll just try to do it this way. And hope for the best. Ooh, augmented. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. How are you? Ooh, yeah. I'm happy to hear you're okay. So generally what we do today is I have joined the Pixel Dailies challenge, and today's theme is buggy. And I am choosing to take this theme into like the software engineering, software development, game development sphere. And I'm choosing to interpret this theme as a bug in development. Sort of. A bug in calculating what is an actual install. Senko says drug glitch trap from Five Nights at Freddy. I thought outside the box. I am not familiar with Five Nights at Freddy, but maybe someday I will check it out. Tank, welcome. Hi, thank you for joining. Yes, that's the Unity logo. I'm trying to recreate it, but it doesn't work very well. But it's close enough. It's close enough, so we will keep it this way, you know? We will keep it like that. Whoops. Yes, that's the Unity logo. Basically, what I'm trying to draw here is Unity not being able to figure out whether an install is real or not. That's what I'm doing right now. At least trying. Tank says it's very good, just funny with all the hubbub this week. Yes, exactly. I'm choosing to. Okay, this star looks really bad. Oh boy. This star is hilarious. It's derpy. Oh. Augmented says the whole Unity situation is really funny to me. Been a while since I have seen company combust so thoroughly. Yeah. I mean, it's really hard to trust them to figure out. I mean, they say that they will figure out which is a true install and which isn't, but this is a big concern. This is a real concern, on whether they will actually be able to do this. Like, we can't be sure, and this is creating a really awkward situation, I think. Like, will people need to first pay and only then prove that an install is not real? This is kind of worrying, Tank says it's like the stars in Mario. Okay. Yeah, I agree that the star looks kind of sad. I agree. Augmented says, I think their only real option is going to be walk it back. I have seen 10 game dev studios post on Twitter about how they are going to start porting to a different engine. Yeah. Well, that's definitely going to be a toll on the company. That's for sure. But considering that the CEO was previously on EA, I am not entirely sure they're going to go back on their decision. We will just have to wait and see. I don't know. Okay, this star looks really derpy. So maybe instead of a star, let's try to do something else. This star is as sad as Unity's executives when they see Twitter. Augmented says pretty big studios too, like the ones behind Silksong, the one behind Slay, The Spire, and some others I don't remember. Yeah, many very serious companies from the industry said that this move is very uncool. And I mostly agree, because there are ways to achieve these kind of changes. Maybe we will just try to draw a different kind of star. Let's try. I believe the most awful part about this, not the most, but some of it is awful because it means that the contracts are not being upheld. It's like there were contracts before and they're just deciding, the previous contract, no more. And you don't have any decision about it. You cannot have a say. That's kind of the worrying part, I think. Senko says, man, the star just looks so sad. That's no good. Yeah, I agree. It's not going very well. It is not going well. It's sad, just like the communication department for Unity these days, that's for sure. Let's see if there's something we can do about this. We need asymmetry here, so I hope this will work. Tank says contracts like these are often so flexible, companies can do whatever they want. This means trust that they won't change the terms is all that you really have. Unity breaks that trust is worse than anything else they could have done. Yeah, I agree with this statement, Tank. Yep, totally. Senko says, looked with the one straight line just like coins out of Mario games. I mean, this is my reference for now, so... yeah. Whatever works. Whatever works. Yeah, so... honestly, no matter what kind of move Unity will do next, the trust has been broken. And it will be really hard to gain it back. If ever. If ever. We'll do something like that, I think. I hope this kind of makes sense. What I'm trying to do here. Well, let's try to add some shine to the coin. Maybe it will save this. What a disaster. Just like it's a disaster, just like the executives of Unity. Hehe. That can work, right? That can work, I think. That's good enough. That's good enough. Yay! Thank you, Senka. Ooh, I appreciate that. Thanks. Yeah, that would be good enough, I think. That would be good enough. Let's just give a name to this layer. This is like supposed to be a game developer that is trying to get his poor coin back. hope that makes sense. I suppose first we will try to do the animation for the install. And then we will make it glitch. Let's see what it looks like. I'm animated. Oh, okay. Looks okay. It's okay, I think. We can control the speed later. Like, I can show you how I can control the speed. Here, I can show you. There we go. You see? That's easily controlled. Oh, no worries, no worries. Now let's try to make this seal seem like glitchy. Let's see if that works. Yeah, I like that. I like these two frames. Let's duplicate this one. And put it over here. And duplicate this one to put it over here. I'm gonna try to speed it up. I think I like it better speed up. Now let's add weird colors. Similar to what's happening here, I think. Let's try. Yes, let's try to add weird colors. I think they should be like full on RGB stuff. Like literally RGB. There we go. Something like that. To make it seem extra glitchy. Senko says when you animate this, make that the colors change or move up and down a bit. It makes it look more buggy. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So I'll just show you what it looks now. See? I think it looks good. Does it? Let's add more frames. I'm making it glitchy, very, very glitchy. And then I will show off the pirate hat. Just to make it clear that it's pirated in soul. There we go. Let's see what it looks like now. That's nice. That's nice. Now let's make the hat appear. In one of these frames. Like over here. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I think that's good. Why it doesn't work? What do we have here? That's the hat. Okay. Okay, now it moves. Now it looks kind of like a witchy hat, right? There we go. So, what do you guys think? Does that make the point? Does that make the point across? Get across? I think it looks nice. Ooh, a tank, thank you. I'm just bothered by the fact that we have only 15 frames. Should be 16. Let's add another frame. Just so it will be a nice number. There we go. Now it's a nice number. So without this context over here, I hope it's enough time to understand that it's a pirate hat. Let's do a bit of a tug of war kind of situation. Let's see what it looks like. Cinco, I sadly need to go now. Oh, okay. I hope you will have a wonderful meal. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Senka, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm trying to make it look like this part is pulling the coin to their sides. Now let's try to animate the coin accordingly. Which means we will try to implement the squash and stretch technique. Whoops! That's not what I meant to do. I wanted to only affect this layer, not all of them. Ugh. Poor coin. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Need to fix the shape a little bit. Let's fix the shape of the coin. So here it's fine. Here it's getting very distorted. So let's fix it. Let's fix the shape as much as we can. I think this is better. There we go. Let's see what it looks like after I animated the stick figure. Okay, it's kind of weird that he's staying in place with his leg, so let's try to also move the leg a little bit. This guy has a broken leg. Poor game developer. Poor game developer. His leg is broken. Okay. I think this is okay. Just need to fix the coin. Let's fix the coin. Using the good old squash and stretch. I cannot say my implementation is perfect. It's far from that. But, you know, trying to make it work. Ooh! Hello, Chiga! Ah, you're from Brazil! Oh, thank you so much for joining! How are you? What I'm doing right now is the Pixel Dailies challenge. And today's topic is buggy. So I'm making a buggy install. Oh, you're well. That's great to hear. I am also good. I'm also good. Trying to make some commentary on the Unity situation. You know? Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. So I'm kind of trying to fix the coin outline right now. Well, sort of. You know. Just what I want to say with this one is, I'm not saying it's necessarily bad to want to profit from your hard work. But there are ways to implement this. Some companies increase prices to their services, and some do disastrous decisions like Unity, which I would not say is the best for the industry or for the company itself as well. Like, yeah, that's kind of what my point is. You inspired me to make one of these too, putting fire on the League of Legends logo, saying, yeah, sure, go for it. More greedy than Unity is EA Games. Well, funny story. The CEO, the ex-CEO of EA, is the current CEO of Unity. So this is where the bad decisions come from, I think. Yes, it explains quite a bit, I agree. Whew. So, does it look like a pirated install? I mean, without me telling. I hope it gets the point across. Still learning English. Oh, please don't worry about it. Your English is very understandable. It's great, don't worry about it. Feel free to practice here if you would like. So please don't worry about it. Oh, I see that you have added a follow. Thank you so much for following. Thank you for adding a follow. That's really nice of you. I think I like this one. I'm not going to change it much, but this should change. I'm gonna add the coins here as well. And here. And here. Chica asked, do you stream something besides rank? Oh, well, I also stream coding. Yeah, so like my last stream was about adding YouTube subscribe alerts. So if you see that heart over there, yes, coding, like programming, like software development. I created a server where it checks for new subscribers on YouTube. And then it displays them on the stream over here. Oh, Dick, thank you so much. I'm blushing. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it looks any good. Yeah, I will try to fix the coin a little bit in the last frames. let's do that. In these frames. And also, maybe if it's worth adding, then the chat that you see here above my head, I have also coded that one as well. Generally, I kind of like to do things DIY. As programmers have this kind of hubris kind of thing, where we think we can do everything ourselves. This is probably it. Ah, you love my hair? Thank you so much. My hair defeats gravity, that's what it does. Yes. Before the laws of physics were discovered. Thanks, says, figured I could join the chat over here instead of Kick. Oh, yes. That's a great idea. That's a great idea, Tank. Thanks for that. That's much appreciated. Yes, because I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel a bit more, so thank you for the support. I'll just drop my socials, see if it works. Let's see if it works. Yes, it worked. Yay! So, yeah. If you would like to support me on YouTube, then that would be really nice. If you have any questions about programming or game development or coding really, then you can join the Discord, and I am rather active there about stuff like that. Discussions about game development, software development and stuff like that. If that's something that you're interested in. Ooh, thank you so much. Ting says, yeah, honestly, I don't watch much on Kick. I have been mostly just trying it out, mostly because Switch has to need competitor in this space. Yeah, competition is usually nice. It makes others put a bit more effort, yeah, to be a viable option. But I think YouTube is giving a pretty fair competition to Twitch. So I'm not really sure Kick will survive. But I don't know. This is just my uneducated guess. Let's see what it looks like now. What do you guys think? Is there anything to change or to add? Oh, Chico, thank you. Is there anything you guys think that should be added or changed? Tank says, unsure honestly if YouTube would just make a live discovery page that started and presented live streaming. If that's, yeah, I get your point. I really don't know if that's something YouTube is planning to do. I'm not sure on YouTube there's like a culture of watching live streams like it is on Twitch. Like on Twitch, people expect live streams when they go on that platform. While on YouTube, I think people still expect to watch videos or shorts. I don't know. But I still think that YouTube live streaming is the way to go because that's a good way to, interact with the people that support you. Like, my goals are to create more tutorials on YouTube, and while at it, to also interact with the people that like my content, that enjoy my tutorials. That's how I see it, at least. Okay, I think I will try to stretch the Unity logo as well a little bit. Let's see. Not very noticeable, is it? Let's make it more defined, I think. That should do it. Yeah, I like that. Let's try to add maybe shadow to the coin. Or is it good as it is? Yeah, I think maybe it's good as is. Is there anything else to change about this, or are we good? I don't know. I think it looks good the way it is. Do you have any suggestions on what to change? Maybe let's make this one a bit more bouncy. Yeah, that's good. And I guess we should kind of add like a watermark or something. That's a kind of a bit of a silly thing to do, but you know, internet and stuff. Better think about this stuff. Oof, that's way too long, it seems. Let's try 6. It's not going to work much, will it? Nope. Let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna randomly play around with this. Ah, no, it got cropped. Oh well. I guess we will just skip it to SpaceC. Close enough, close enough. Alright, alright. I don't remember how to paste into multiple keyframes. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh well. And I think we're done. I think we're done. What do you guys think? I think it is ready. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today. It was really nice having you guys around, having a chat about stuff. Tomorrow I will stream at the exact same time. And it would be really nice if you can join. I will probably do some pixel art again. So if you're into that, feel free to join. Yeah. Thank you for joining me today and have a lovely, lovely rest of your day.